Hi guys, welcome to today's video tutorial on how to change the administration email of your Elementor hosted website. By following these simple steps, you will be able to update the primary email address of your site in no time. Step 1. Open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Settings menu. You can find it on left side of the screen. Under General Settings, you will find the Administration Email Address field. This is where you need to make change. Replace the current administration email address with the new one that you want to set as primary email address for your site. Once you have made the change, it's important to verify it. You can do this by checking the email account. As you can see, the email address has changed. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can successfully change the admin email for your website. Thank you for watching.